Okay, so we just got done making our backdrop. This is probably the best backdrop I've ever made. But now I want to choose a sprite that's going to navigate through this multi-level game. I used to call it a maze challenge, but it really wasn't a maze challenge, so changing it up a little bit. So I'm going to pop over to code. One thing of code I'm just going to add in here real quick is this is code on the backdrop, and I'm going to go with when flag is clicked. I don't know why it did that cat thing. I think it might be because I'm recording this on April Fool's Day, but maybe that's going to be the new long-term thing. I don't know. Anyway, when the flag is clicked, that blinking really kind of bugs me, but whatever. When the flag is clicked, I want to go to looks and switch backdrop to level 1. And all that does, not and wait though, switch backdrop to level 1. Switch backdrop to level 1, and so all that does is every time I click the flag, it automatically restarts us on level 1. That's kind of just a good habit to get into. We haven't really talked about that much, but anyway, so that's that, step 1. Step 2, I wanna choose a sprite that I'm gonna navigate through this, and in that video that we all watched, I used the bug. Now, the bug is like a classic one that I use, but let's see if I can find something else. The butterfly. I might do the butterfly. I'm kind of in like a butterfly mood right now, but I really think I'm going to go with the dragonfly. Okay, that's way too big. No secret there. So I'm going to go to my size option and I'm going to probably dial it down to like 25. I want it pretty small. And even that's a little big. Maybe I'll go with 20. Okay, I can live with that. Now, step 1, I want my dragonfly to start at the start box. So there's my dragonfly. Now I need to code my dragonfly. Two things. One, I want it to move around using the arrow keys, or if you're in that gaming mood, WASD. Now, after my dragonfly moves, I want it to not go through the color purple in this situation. So I'm going to go with events, and let's see. I'll go with when the flag is clicked, because that's when I click the flag, I'm like starting the whole program. I go to level 1. When flag is clicked, what do I want to happen? I want my dragonfly to move around. So what I'm going to do is go with an if command. So in controls, if I move my up arrow, where is it? Right there. If up arrow is pressed, then I want my dragonfly to go up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to motion, and I am going to point in direction. This is really important. This says up. I want my bug to point up and go up. So point in direction. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to switch this from 90 degrees, which would be to the right, and move that to 0, which represents pointing up. Then I want it to move 10 steps. Now, if I leave this as is, it's only going to happen when I click the flag. That would never happen. It'd be the stupidest game ever. So I need to go down here to control, and that needs to happen forever. Now, I should be able to click the flag, and my dragonfly will go up, which it does, but I don't like the way that it's orientated. I'm going to fix that in a minute, but right now, it just moves up. Now, I need to set it so it will go up, down, left, right. Pay attention. This is important. I'm going to make a duplicate. So I'm going to put my mouse right here, click, duplicate. So now I just have like a duplicate of that block of code. Make sure it goes underneath. There has to be a separation. If you were to put it right here, move, and so it's like triple stacked at the bottom, this wouldn't work. This is wrong. So I'm going to pull that out, put it right there where it belongs, and this is good. Now I want to go up. I'm going to switch this to down. This one, point in direction, down, move 10 steps. So I click my flag, I can go up and down, and I need to switch the orientation of that. I realize that. I'm not going to fix it yet, but I will. And then after I'm good with that, so we're good. I need to go left and right, or right and left, depending. Duplicate, same thing. I need to make sure it's right there, and I don't accidentally put it inside. And so now I'm going to go with up arrow. I'm going to switch this to right arrow and point this in direction right. And then over here, I'm going to have a left arrow and point this in direction left. So I'm good. It moves. It's just a little not moving the way I want. Like this is up. I want it to point up, not point down. So I'm going to have to change that orientation here. And to do that, what I'm going to do is right over here. So right now I'm going up. And when I have up, let's see, I'm gonna go here, see if I can swing it around to right there. That should change the orientation. Click. Oh, you know what I have to do? Scratch that. What I need to do is go into costumes. This is where I need to fix it. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. And ooh, you can give that flying look. Okay. But what? Let's see. I need to rotate it. How? Okay, like 90 degrees. So I need to go here, code, fill, grab, highlight the whole thing. And at this point, I'm just gonna go whoop. So that turned it down. Let's go this way. There we go. And we're good there. Back to code. There we go. So the problem that I was having, and I tried to fix it with this direction, this just pointed the direction it was, it didn't actually change the sprite itself. I had to change the orientation of the sprite. And so to do that, I had to go up here and I had to highlight the whole thing because it was originally facing up. And I had to like orientate it. So when I like push the up arrow, my bug goes up, down, down, left, left, right, right, etc. So on and so forth. So that's what I did to fix the orientation of my bug rotation. So that's just a movement. Boop. Again, I'm clicking the wrong flag here to stop the video.